July som thum sang ni som ni parugani US long in beih tok tlat mai ani drone manga beih ani Middle East hianin drone mang nasatak le langsar tak pakhata oma chu Iran chau hi ani amaro chu he thila hi Strait of Hormuz a thlenglo Egypt rama longchol na pakhata a thleng ani dai mai na he hianin zona ti tam hle mai explosion at an Egyptian port after drone hits US tanker US long hi beih ani ya na puak ring hle ni turani in riek ila.
Well, US has announced the completion of powerful strikes in Iran, which followed President Donald Trump's warning. Speaking to Fox News, Trump had said they will be hitting the Islamic Republic very hard. The strikes come after a halt in fighting since last Friday, which had spurred hopes for a return to negotiations. In a post on X earlier, US Central Command said the attacks were in response to attempted Iranian attacks on US forces based in West Asia. The strikes come a day after Iran launched missiles at US ally Jordan, with Iranian state media later reporting an American attack near Piran Shahar border area. In the latest,
Kamika, Aron Soile Loka, Kamika Poimo, Tuna Hianin, United States, the Swanin, Hemi, Iran like a baby and Taki and do talk redon, Nina Langa, Voina Tan Big, Mo, do not tan big and do talk redon, Nina Langa, Amaro Tuna Poimo, Deutu, Iran Lampang here in Jordan. United States, Paite, a bearing out of Vanhan. Kap fulo mase abi iringot hei abi iringot aka ave missile khatiang lam hoizonga US sipaite omna lam hoizonga missile aka rim ribawang hanin United States on in nasatakin phuba na takin an langhala kami ka anron report le kami kha athak ti khop maya chuan athak ti na sanjo tu na hianin update ron pe a e andu tok ri don ani ama kha chuanin darkar rukhare te ni thina ma ro chuanin andu tok ri dona chuan adang le
Iranian media reported strikes around Kashim Island and Abadan city. Iranian state media releases footage claiming to show people clearing rubble and searching for victims at a residential building in Kashim Island.
Tuna United States in ha bepi thlang na mun hi Piran Shahar heta Iran mar lampang nei mo chuanin Iraq nenan in rina abadan vela hianin USN bepi thak ni bogin la chuanin Kashim Island hi Strait of Hormuz nena in nai dewa hianin United States hianin bepi thak bok ni na langani hei hi tuntum United States na phuba alak na bi ko Egypt long chol na muna US long beih ha kan nakina ron soing hemi ron report non le photani amaro chu heti le kan la riek lawa United States in Iran abeti ka share ngota khonge be kan la shelo tu na chona chiang ta ani helai Hmar lam chon in the center chon helam athim lam tiang hianin United States lampang hianin be pui attack ani
after US carried out fresh strikes in Iran.
Heti hianin local mi hawin tiang hianin engamoni US ina ka chen nu vel ha an lo thian fai ani hei hi Iran state media ina video aron ti chu ani a chiang viau ani chen he khop mai video tang han en po hian.
Meanwhile, two ships used for processing and storage of gas caught fire in the Egyptian port of Damietta.
Storage and processing of gas long oil an han store an han da that na mun US long pani be ani.
Private security monitor, UK-based Amri, reported that the Greek-owned and Bermuda-flagged tanker and the US-owned and operating floating storage vessel were hit by at least one unidentified drone.
Pathumani, long pathumani. Hetianga an lo behi. Mo. Patni kha United States ta ni lo. Pakhat kha United States ta ani. Amaro United States hianin. Tiang hianin spotlight aron changhal ngatinga di chuanin tuna Iran nena in dowang tin akap tu hi unidentified aerial object drone an ron tia.
It marks an escalation as energy facilities elsewhere in the region have been hit during the US's ongoing war with Iran, but remember Egypt has so far been spared.
Egypt ram hi be ani vak ngai lo chonin makati chu helai hmuna de hianin an be ani me pa hen han en lokila helai hi Iran omna ni hi Iran chuan helai hi Iraq chuanin he ta de hianin US long khan be to kani engi omzia han zoom taila hei helai vel hi ni damita long chol na mun helai bor vel hi ni na langa mo helai hi Egypt anita han zoom out je langa Iran na tang hianin an ron be do ni chan chu Iraq a thokhu mangaya chuanin Jordan a thoka na ngai boka Israel a thoka na ngai boka engi omzi he thila hi heta Yemen na tangin sana tangin Houthis ten an ron kap don ti ta se a chance chu om ve tho Houthis ten na hetiang an han ka na chan chimo chance chu om amaro chu mithen khadina ngai dan chuanin he thil hi United States ina Iran nasataka abe le zual theina turata na Israel ti animai lo mo tianga zona ron siam pol kha om ve ani a chan chu hei Egyptian en taula Israel ne nanin nai boxia mo Israel ne nai boxia Gaza atang hian Hamas ten kap don chu ni se possibility po om tho kham possibility pom thowa Yemen ramatagin Houthis ten kap don se possibility om thowa chuanin Iran atanga tiaron ka dei chu tlem chon hlap ve deu ka tia hei hi chuanin zona ati tam ve khop mai Egypt rama de entinan Strait of Hormuz emo hei helai Strait of Hormuz emo lopon helai Bab el Mandeb Strait helai mo tuipuisen han lu na turvel hetiang vela he chuanin han kap se chu Iran hel khoi ho ti aniang ti te po kha direct po na rin theya mo kha ania zo na ti tam tu ka ti chumo po ni se han let le ila
Saudi Arabia and the US, they both announced strikes on militant bases in Iraq. It followed attacks by what Riyadh...
khami kha Egypt rama long United States long be chung chang an ron report thei choni aba kan report lowa amaro chu an ron report kha apoimo hethi le chonin Boruak he ati sosang chun zom le view mai theya chonin tuna ron report le chu video masalama pok soi to ang khan Saudi Arabia le United States te tang kophian Iraq rama Iran hel khoi mi som ni zet mai hi an thatani tinga be pian thang na hian a chan chu Saudi Arabia tuna hianin mun ni atanga be atok meka heta achim lama south lama i Yemen rama Houthis Iran hel khoi tho te khan Saudi Arabia hi an be ve ani an long te po an lo ka sak to a chuanin Saudi Arabia te pon zuk be ve le to thowa chuan heta Saudi Arabia marlam north lama tangin mo north lama tangin hetian Iraq rama tanga Iran hel khoi te khanin an be ve le ani me patang hian han en leila hei Saudi Arabia al lina ni Saudi Arabia mo heta Yemen ramatang hian Houthis ten Saudi Arabia hi an beya chuanin Iraq ramatang hian heta Saudi Arabia marlama an oil facilities mo oil processing oil storage te poniang a ming lar de mai Aramco ti hi ma hei mo heng oil facilities te po hi Iraq rama hel khoi te hian in an be ni na langani chu Saudi Arabia ngai dan hi ni dong lo lutuka chu wang chuanin tuna po hian in United States le Saudi Arabia te hian in Iraq rama Iran hel khoi Saudi Arabia lo be ve ringo tu te kha an ham bom dar de rep mai ani mo atiang kha thil lom ji ani
called terrorist militias loyal to Iran on its oil facilities. The US military said logistics and weapons sites belonging to an Iran-aligned group were targeted in the strikes.
Logistics and
weapons sites belonging
logistics and weapons sites bungro da thatna ral thuam da thatna mun an be sakani khang vela khani mi som nian han thi bungro da thatna le an ral thuam vel da thatna khanin khatiang Iran hel khoi angchi ho kha an member te kha an lo om ve nual ni turani khatiang an han bom chiat an han bom na hanin thi anom treu mai
to an Iran-aligned group were targeted in the strikes. Iraq's Hashid al-Shabi alliance said the attacks killed at least 20 of its members.
Mi somni an thi ni so in locks a minga kha engmo
Iraq's Hashid al-Shabi alliance said
Iraq Hashid al-Shabi alliance amakleme Iraq Hashid al-Shabi alliance Iraq Hashid al-Shabi alliance Iraq Hashid al-Shabi alliance thenghil to lo turang chanju Yemen Houthi sanama chuani Lebanon a Hezbollah noma chuan Yemen Houthis chuan Gaza Hamas an oma chuan Iraq khan kha
aligned group were targeted in the strikes. Iraq's Hashid al-Shabi alliance
molaya thehil Hmar members somni and hini and mani rang hian mo
said the attacks killed at least 20 of its members. The alliance, which is also known as Popular Mobilization Forces, it was created in 2014 to fight jihadists before its integration into the military. It includes brigades belonging to Iran-backed groups reputed for acting unilaterally. Iraq denounced the US-Saudi strikes and said it rejects all acts of aggression, regardless of the party responsible of the justification presented.
Iraq lampang chuanin amo phurtu chu tu po ni se ke ma ni rama hetianga enge an indo na angchi ka inhoi an chet vel na hi a tha kan ti lawani tin statement lo chhuwa ve ani eng police a boi nuai nuai ri ani Middle East kumo tunang hon